to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you guys chill water valve package for the FCU. Okay, and the next tutorials I will explain you the guys the valve package for the AHUs and FAHU, and next tutorials I will explain you guys the chill water valve package for the air cooled chiller. Okay, and in the last tutorial I will explain you guys the chill water valve package connection for the pump. So let us start now. As you can see, this is one of the chilled water drawing. Okay, chill water design drawing. Okay, so you can see here, this is the chillers. Okay, so these chillers. Okay, and the chill water supply and return piping is there, and this is the chilled water pump. Okay, so what will the valve package used here? I will explain you guys. So in these tutorials I will explain you first for the FCU fan coil unit valve package. For example, here is one of the fan coil unit. Okay, so what will be the valve package used here? Okay, so next tutorials I will explain you guys the chill water valve package for the AHU. So for example, this is the FAHU. Okay, so AHU and FAHU both I will explain. This is the AHU. Okay, so what will be the chill water valve package in the supply and return line? I will explain that one. Okay, and in the next tutorials I will explain the valve package for the chillers, and then in the last tutorials I will explain the valve package for the pump. Okay, so let us start now. Okay, so you can see this is the schematic diagram for the chilled water fine coil unit. Okay, so this is the valve package. Generally, this package is valve package is asking in the interview. So you can see here, this green line is showing chilled water supply, means the water coming from the chiller and going to the fine coil unit. Okay, and this red line showing, also showing with this arrow. Okay, and the red line is showing the chilled water return. That means the water which is returned from the FCU and going to the chiller is called chilled water return. Okay. So what will the valve package use here? You can see here, there will, in the supply and return line, there in the both line there will be the flexible connection, FC. FC is nothing but the flexible connector. Okay, you can see here in the legends as well. If you go to the legends, you can see what is the FC. Okay, so here you can see FC is nothing but the flexible connection. Okay, next is your union. So union is not the part of the valve package, and second one is the test point. Test point is also not the part of the valve package. This is not a valve part of the valve package. Okay, because the test point is installed on the surface of the pipe. Okay, so next in the, you can see here in the supply line, first of all it is coming the isolation valve. Isolation valve is nothing but the gate valve. You can use the gate valve or butterfly valve. You can use any one of them. Okay, as per the space availability. Okay. Next, second fitting is a strainer. So a strainer is always fixed in the chill water suction line. Chill water suction line means supply line. Because the water coming from the chiller, it is going to the FCU. So there will be, uh, if there is any foreign items which can be strained here. Okay, with the through the strainer. Next will be the flexible connection. Okay, same way in the return line, you can see there should be one isolation valve here, and next will be the control valve, which may be the two-way valve or three-way valve, depend on the design. Okay, so here they are using the two-way modulating pressure independent control valve. Modulating type is two-way. Two-way is nothing but the variable flow. So wherever there will be variable flow, you can use the two-way valve. Okay, because the water coming from the chiller is going to the FCU and return going to this return line to the chiller. So there will be two-way valve, that is called variable flow valve. Okay. Next and last fitting is the flexible connector, which can be fixed in both the lines, chill water supply as well as chill water return. And here there will be one more isolation valve which is used generally for the flushing purpose. So this is how it looks like, and how we are designing the valve package for the fine coil unit. So I hope you guys learn something from this video. If you learn something from this video, please do subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon. That's if you will not press the bell icon, you cannot find the notification of my video. So you have to make sure you should press the bell icon as well after subscribing my channel. So please be with me, because I am making an informative video related to the HVAC design, and plumbing design, firefighting design, and also I am making the video on the AutoCAD. So please be with me and keep watching my full video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you, bye bye.